Welcome again, people, to Military Gunner TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. So, the Jamaica reggae boy Michail Antonio has went down injured with an Hamstring injury. Hopefully, people, this is not something serious or hoping. So, West Ham move up in the top four with a thrilling 3-1 win on that David Moyes called a torture after the Hammers were almost pegged back from 3-0 down. Now, it was the second game in succession that the West Ham had taken a 3-0 lead, only to see the opposition fight back, which was against Arsenal. Now, let's move on. Speaking after the game, David Moyes confirmed it was an hamstring issue, he said, and this is not his first hamstring issue. He has a bad history of hamstring issues. Antonio felt his hamstring, but he doesn't feel too bad now. We are not sure yet. We will assess it tomorrow. We will check it tomorrow and see what it is, said David Moyes. So he demonstrated to the physio that he wanted to see on the pitch, but with his history of hamstring injuries, the medical team decided that they won't risk it any further. So hopefully Michail Antonio, he will just be 2 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks out. Definitely will not. I don't think that this will affect the ReggaeBoyz WorldCup campaign. So hopefully return fully fit and running and back at the same form that he went off in. So thank you very much, people. Please hit the like button. Much appreciated. Thank you. I am out.